Hi, welcome back to Mechanic Garage. Day 2, roof lining. It's dried alright, most of the creases have gone. That's mainly from when it was rolled, packaged, however it came. And what I've done so far is give the trim a wipe down inside to make sure that any muck around the door openings and on the post trims and that's clean. And empty the boot so I can feed it through. So once that's in, get it up in the roof, it should be held in quite quickly, mainly by the trim and the door seals. And it's a case of attaching all the handles and clips and various bits and bats, and we'll see how much of a colour match it is. The one that came out was like a light grey colour, and you're looking online, it's difficult to pin down the exact colour. However, it doesn't look too much different. The old one was very dirty, so hopefully this isn't too bad. But I shall get it now, and we'll see if we can get it inside without damaging it or making it filthy. I'll be coming in through here with it, because it's easier to get it through here with a slight bend than it is through the through a door opening. So I'll feed it through in a minute. Slight curve on it. I won't say it's bent, but it's got a twitch to it. Try and get it through without damage. Right, try and lift it up something like into the right sort of area. Now it's in, sort the seat out. Let's get in underneath it. Biggest issue you've got is mucky handprints on it. Most of the rest of it fairly straightforward. Mostly in. Okay, so then positioning it and getting the trim in. Getting at the front. It'll pretty much find its own natural position once it's in the right place. Door seals and things will hold it in place. Sometimes you need a bit of a persuasion to get the seams in the right place, because there's like a little felt padding that's on the wrong side. Right, I sit back in the car. There's a bit of fiddling around the edges. Couldn't really see an awful lot. But anyway, it's all back in, so now it's a case of cleaning up all the plastics and the handles and the visors and everything else, just put them back in nice and clean, get the interior light in, and that's that job done. Yeah, things like these, just give them a spray and a clean and stick them back in, because otherwise, nice clean roof lining, and you got, even if they don't look particularly grubby, they probably will be, just through age. I mean, this is what, 21-year-old, this car now, and it's not the sort of thing that anybody ever cleans. So that's the right side. Yeah, you won't be able to see an awful lot, but I'll just stick it back in the hole. Hit the screw. Or not. Right, lined up with the hole. There we go. As I said in the other video, all these little things screwed back in will hold the headline in place even tighter still, so it's not going to come out. Where did that go? Found it. One back in. Problem is, they're not the sort of thing you can see me doing anything with. Basically just squirt, clean, fit. Not an awful lot you can see, so. That's it, it's all trimmed back in. It's actually a perfect colour match, I'm really happy with that. So, the light's not helping, however. I'm pretty good, pretty happy with the colour match. Any marks that are in it have actually gone away, more or less. The tiny one behind that sun visor, as suspected. Can't really see, but you get the idea. Light on inside, it'd be a bit easier. But yeah, everything's back in, everything's clipped in. I forgot where they went. There's two little bungs that a little black plastic clip goes behind and they clutch into. Nothing, no handle that side, obviously. Just need to sort out the brake light. It's the only thing left. And sometimes they all light up, sometimes half of them light up, sometimes 3/4 light up. So we've got resoldering a couple of bits. I know they all physically work because they all work at one point or another. And then it's just a case of screwing this back in, clipping that in place. And that's the interior done. Well, apart from cleaning. It's a shame the seats faded. This is actually how they look. Should be that colour grey. But because the sun has gone that colour, and because it was parked up for a while, yeah. So as long as the seatbelt stays there, we're good. But yeah, I'm pleased with that. It's come out really well. So I think that'll do for this one, and I'll finish off with the next mechanical work. The only thing I have found is while it's been sat, the passenger side seatbelt doesn't want to retract anymore. I pulled it out just to keep it out of the way of things over the time, and it's not retracting at all. Now I did have a pair out of the old car, a scrap one, but I sold those, so I might have to go find another one. Take it a bit and repair it if need be. Might just be something wrapped around inside it, a bit of fluff or some felt or something that's fell down and got trapped in it so it won't recoil. But at the moment it's all kind of saggy. Really annoying really. It used to be alright. But just need to go clean up carpets and everything, and the seats are good scrub and things, but I'm actually getting somewhere now. There you go, you actually see it a bit better this way, the lights are better. Right, I shall leave this one for now. Thanks for watching. Hope that's explained it alright, how to do it on the first and second part of the video. And it's not actually that difficult, you just need to be careful and clean, that you don't damage anything, wipe anything. It was a little bit tight getting it through the hole in the boot as you saw, but it's quite resilient, that board, as long as you don't fold it too tightly. I did one before, I had to set the passenger seat out and bring it out of this rear left hand door, and even that was really tight. But right, thanks very much. I'll see you in another video, and like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.